Now you storming at my house. Tonight I'm trying to.
To do this trend, you need to install Remini application from Play or App Store. I have already downloaded the application. After downloading, open the application. Now, first cancel this subscription page, and then click on AI Photos option on bottom of your screen. Now click on Get Started, and then choose your gender and upload your 8 to 12 selfie photos from your gallery. Upload 12 good quality photos for good results. After uploading photos, click on Continue. Now here you will find lots of model images. But to do a headshots photo, slide up and go to Curriculum. You will find lots of model images here too, but most of the users are doing with this model image, so choose this one. Now click on Use this model image. Now it will ask you again to get a subscription. So to do it for free, you can take a 3-day trial subscription. This way you won't be charged anything, and after getting your photos you can cancel the subscription. So to take a free 3-day trial subscription, click on Enable Free Trial, and then Continue. Now, you can read the terms and conditions here, and then click on Continue and add bank details. And after that your photos will be start generating. After getting your photos, you can save them to your gallery. And if you don't know how you can do a trend on TikTok, then you can watch my previous videos, or I will provide the video link in my description. You can watch that from there. Now don't forget to cancel your subscription after getting your photos. To cancel your subscription, go to Play or App Store, then click on your profile icon, and then click on Payment and Subscription. Now click on Subscription, and from here, you can easily cancel your subscription. I haven't taken any subscription, so it's not showing anything for me. So that's how you can do this trend on TikTok and for free. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.